Konnichiwa everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, this is a throwback by the way guys. It was December 2023. So my family spent our Christmas in Japan. So yung umuwi pa yung kapatid ko from all the way from US traveling to Japan and yes, so ayun. Nauna lang dumating yung mom ko sa Japan and yung stepdad ko. Then after nila, kami naman ni Jester and on the following day is yung sister ko na. So while waiting for my sister, we're just strolling around in Shibuya area kasi we're looking for like goods or things or stuffs na parang gift namin for each other on a Christmas day. And yes, after nyan, my pops recommended a crepe. If I'm not mistaken, it's a strawberry and masarap naman siya. And this is the moment, yes, a moment like this. So, ayan, nagkita-kita na kami and pinakilala ng sister ko yung boyfriend din sa amin. And sa pagkakatanda ko ay we are having a dinner here. So, it's a steak night. Then, masarap naman yung steak. After namin mag-dinner and we went to Don Quixote to buy some stuff. Like, yung sister ko, bumili siya na luggages and kami ni Jester naglalaro lang kami ng claw machine. So, after nyan, our first day of, tour, so we went to different places or tourist spots para makita yung perfect ng area. I mean, perfect view ng Mount Fuji. So, ang dami namin pinuntahan. And yung nag-tour pala sa amin ito is si Kuya Akira. He's a Filipino na naka-base sa Japan. So, sobrang bait ni Kuya Akira. And sobrang, hindi ko ma-explain pero sobrang nakakatuwa siyang kasama. Parang tropa-tropa chill lang kami. So, dito sa part na to guys, oh my God, like, heaven and hell talaga yung naranasan ko dito kasi hell, sobrang taas ng hagdanan. Like, hindi na kaya ng tuhod ko. But heaven kasi, as you can see guys, sobrang ganda ng view and medyo tumatalak yung motherhood ko dito. So after that, we went also in different spot naman para makita din yung Mount Fuji. Para ayan na naman tayo sa Mount Fuji. So this is the lake. I forgot the name but sobrang ganda rin dito, no? It's a perfect view then to take a photo with the Mount Fuji. So yan lang naman actually yung ginawa namin for the whole day, guys. And ayan, may eksena na naman ang aking ina. And of course, my dad na parang he's taking a photo of Mount Fuji. Then ipagmamalaki yan sa amin kasi sobrang ganda doon ng photos niya. And after that, we ate our lunch near in the area. Sa pagkakatanda ko, dito rin kami kumain before. Ayun. So, yes, on the second day, we went to Nagano. So, Nagano, dito kasi may mga snow, guys. And first time, I mean, it's her second time na kami, bullet train. So, from Tokyo to Nagano. And sobrang bilis and sobrang ganda. And ayun. So now, we arrive at Nagano. So, syempre, the first thing we do is we went to different museums in Nagano. And after that, pumunta rin kami sa Snow Monkey. So, dito kami nag-enjoy talaga kasi na-experience namin yung snow. And guys, it's our first time. Yet, ewan ko mama, parang matagal na rin siya nakakita ng snow. Pero ako, it's my first time to see snow and sobrang mga ako dahil and alam mo yun, pag may snow pala parang kailangan talaga mag sunglasses kasi masyado yung brightness ng snow sa area, parang ganyan. And struggling kami dito pero ayan, tulad yan, nagtatapunan kami ng mga snow kasi natutuwa talaga kami. So dahil yung banding namin. So, we went to the Snow Monkey. Sobrang ganda ng Snow Monkey, guys. it's one of the bucket list na na-check na talaga. And ito na yung POV ng aking inay at ang aking itay.
Every time I train myself because of you. If you wanna be in my way 'cause of me, the stars were shining to me away, whispering, I want you to know you're my world. Every time I'm crazy, it's because of you. If you're looking right in me because of love, to me it's a pretty wonderland. Do not make me cry again. I need you right now.
So this is the snow monkey in Nada, no? Sobrang ganda talaga guys kasi nakakatuwa sila and meron silang parang tub doon na kung saan hot spring, parang ganoon din sila maliligo. And medyo rosy cheeks yung mga monkeys na to ha, in all fairness naman. So after that, we went to Matsumoto Castle. It's one of the tourist spot din in Nagano. And sobrang ganda guys ng place na to. And dito medyo mainit-init na. And hinahawak-hawakan nila yung mga foy fish, if I'm not mistaken. And ayan. Guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng Japan. Sa totoo lang, parang wala pa kami sa 1/4 na sa mga gandang pinuntahan. Sobrang ganda and babalik-balikan namin to. And ito guys, sobrang ganda talaga on our last day, I mean third day sa Nagano, and pupunta kami sa mga ski resort. Pero yung hindi na ako nakapag update here kasi yung napuntahan namin ski resort is for professional lang talaga. So sobrang taas ng resort. So ayun, hindi ako masyado nag-enjoy dito, pero pag may training area, siguro mag-enjoy talaga ako. Pero dito hindi kasi sobrang taas. And kita mo yan, ayan. So, ayun lang yung mga clips namin. This is a ski. So, thank you so much for watching, guys.